what I supposed to say. Hi. So Assalamualaikum. My name is Qasrina, and I'm from Farabi, which college number PB201080. So yeah, today we're gonna talk about balanced diet, or interviewing my family members about balanced diet and how they maintain their healthy lifestyle. So if you wanna know how, so yeah, let's check it out my video.
Okay, right now I'm with my dad. So yeah, introduce yourself, please.
Thank you. My name is Alari. I am 50 years old. My weight is 68 kg and my height is 167 cm. I work as a chef.
So yeah, for you, what is balanced diet?
For me, balanced diet is how I consume my meal according to 5 group.
Okay, so you are as a chef. So how you try to maintain your healthy lifestyle?
I always try to eat healthy, following my diet and on time. I also consume vitamin C every day and have some exercise.
Thank you. I'm sorry for taking your time.
You're welcome.
I'm with my mom. So Mama, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you. My name is Farabi. I'm 51 years old. My weight is 52 kg and my height is 156 cm. I'm work as a nurse. Is it a matron at orthopedic ward? So, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And then I want to know what balanced diet for you.
For me, balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of food in certain quantity and proportion, so that the requirement for calorie, protein, minerals, vitamins, and alternative nutrition is adequate.
So last question. How you maintain your healthy lifestyle?
I take healthy meals will include the 5 groups. I'm working as a nurse, so I would always walk around the hospital. It's an exercise for me.
Okay. I'm sorry for taking your time and thank you.
Okay, never.
So for me, the conclusion is everyone knows about balanced diet, and even with different occupation, they know how to maintain their healthy lifestyle. So yeah, I think that's all for me. My name is Qasrina. So goodbye.